Hi, YouTube. Just shared a video about my garden last week or so, and it was about how my garden was full of flowers and blooming all summer long last year. And then when winter came, everything was buried in snow. So we are so blessed and glad, Alhamdulillah, that spring is back actually, and looking forward to a great summer this year and a garden full of flowers, vegetables, and fruits. So we just wanted to share the update that we have been working in our garden. Um, in Canada, there are lots of squirrels, and they come and they like destroy your plants, flowers, flower bulbs, vegetables, whatever you have in your garden. Right? So it's very, very hard to get rid of those. We actually can't get rid of those, and to secure your plants and vegetables from the destruction of the squirrels. So we just wanted to experiment something. We got this kind of like mesh that the squirrels apparently cannot cut. So if you put it around your vegetables and you put your plants and vegetables inside the mesh and net, they are secured from squirrel destruction. So we got this net from a person who has already been using it in their garden, and it's been very successful in keeping off the squirrels. And we just, on a very limited budget, we kind of secured our garden patch, vegetable patch. So me and my husband and my son are actually doing their craftsmanship, handyman work here, and making a boundary so that we can start planting our vegetables. So we actually are using grow bags this year. The grow bags are very popular and very successful in growing vegetables and plants, whatever you want. So the idea was to fill them about one third with the leaves from last year because they make a very good compost, and then you have to fill the pots with less gardening soil. And after filling the grow bags with some leaves, then we are gonna fill it with some good quality gardening soil. And we also did some and vegetable shopping, and we got all of these flowers and some vegetables to start our vegetable garden. It has corn, strawberries, chilies, okra, eggplant, tomatoes, you name it. So we are very, very excited and hopeful that our garden will be full of yummy vegetables this year. So yeah, all the bags are ready, and the first layer of the dried leaves is there. So the next step was to fill them up with good quality gardening soil. And yeah, it's a task. It's hard work. Whatever you do, it's never easy. But if you have passion for it and you love what you do, every task becomes easy. So this was the first time that I actually helped my husband in the garden. Usually I stay away just because of my allergies and other stuff. But very excited this year, and thank God I didn't get any allergies or anything. So yeah, so I did 50-50 help almost in getting ready these grow bags. So all kind of like chilies, because we are Desi, and chili is a must vegetable and a must vegetable to use in the kitchen and in our Desi cooking. And what's better than a homegrown organic vegetables? So these are some spicy chilies. We are a bit like beginners in this, so we didn't know how to like separate the plants, but we did our best to keep the roots safe and then plant them. And it's been a couple of weeks, and let me tell you that all the plants are growing well, and none of them died. So it was a great job. Here, the next step is to water them really, really nice and well. So that, because, whenever you transfer any plant, just like human beings, you transfer a plant from a small pod or a seedling to a big planter, there's always some environment change shock that you have to keep in mind. So, yeah, be aware of that. And then we also got some flowers, marigolds, and this was the new planter bed that we got, and it has a trellis. So I am growing my morning glory and some sweet peas so they can climb up the trellis behind this planter. Marigolds, so pretty color, and they just make your garden look alive and colorful with low effort. I just put a bird bath here. It's a solar bird bath. So yeah, it whenever it's like charged, the fountain runs and it becomes very attractive to birds. And this is hummingbird feeder, and we actually have some hummingbirds that come and feed on this hummingbird feeder. Um, Different kind of flower that my daughter liked, and we got it for her. And on the background of that black shed, it looks so pretty. I don't call them flowers, but they are, I don't know, they're flowers, but they're good. And some more flowers to end the garden site and, to start decorating. So everything is coming along nice and well. Um, Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more updates to see how our garden grows. Thank you so much for watching.